Okay, this is super straightforward. Um, in a scale drawing the solar system, it is 1 millimeter for every 500 kilometers. For a planet with a diameter of 9,000 kilometers, so we're going to put 9,000 on the same position, bottom, um, as it is on the left-hand side. Kilometers and kilometers, right? And what do we put on the top? We're going to say, well, then how many millimeters is that? And of course, we'll multiply, cross multiply. And when we do that, we get 9,000 equals 500x. So what do we do with that? We do 500x divided by 500 equals 9,000. Let me write this. I missed that a little bit. 9,000 over 500. And here we get then x. What do we get here? Well, we already know we can cancel out that. We can cancel out that. Now we've got 90 divided by 5, or 18. 18 what? Well, you can see that 18, where x was, what was it? Millimeters. 18 millimeters. And that's choice B.